and welcome to Ufundi na Ajira. Today I am still working with carpenters, watu fundi wa mbao. Now I'm here with Benji and I am coming to pick up a little bit. The objective of this channel is to bring you the other thing about fundi wa mbao. So welcome to Ufundi na Ajira.
Asante sana.
Now tell me, it's nice to see the type of work that you have been doing.
Yeah.
Na hapa tunapendanga kuongea na wewe ni fundi? Wewe ni fundi wa mbao?
Mimi ni fundi professionally.
Wewe professionally, wewe ni fundi. Tell us about yourself.
Yes. Brian Benjamin is my name.
Yes.
So I do interior, I do furniture, bespoke furniture, and also we do more of structural design. But yeah, the main is furniture.
Furniture.
Yeah. So basically, I'm a 3D film and 3D animation graduate. I've also done furniture design. Yes. In Mauritius.
In Mauritius.
So
okay.
It was more or less like a part-time thing. But then also with time, the passion grew, and I was so fascinated with furniture. Yes. And I love creating different designs, different concepts, coming up with just very unique.
What do you guys do? Now tell me about, other than just working here, what else do you do? Do you go to do fittings? If I have my own type of, you could tell us a little bit about now what your areas are and your key areas.
Apart from just the workshop itself and building our bespoke furniture, we do a lot of site jobs.
Site jobs. Site jobs. So you do
offices, partitions,
kitchen
fittings. We do tiles. We do just basically interior. Interior projects.
Interior projects. Very well. If someone is interested in working with wood, what type of courses? You've mentioned furniture and design. Are these courses that are offered in our colleges and that type of thing?
Okay, I know of NIT. They do joinery. There's joinery. Okay. Joinery and carpentry. Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, Nairobi, something about something.
Yeah.
Yeah, they offer that. Which one also offers? Polytechnic University.
Yes.
Also offers
furniture and design. The course is furniture and design.
Furniture and design, but no, furniture and design.
Yes.
Is under joinery, carpentry and joinery.
Carpentry and joinery. Now, fundi wa mbao, kulingana na ile message yenye nimetumwa nayo, is that there is this culture about fundi wa mbao. Do you have any word about your brothers to say?
I know.
Why is it that I take meza nikienda nimepimisha meza ya dining ama meza ama wall unit. Let me just say wall unit. What is this about fundi wa mbao na culture? Are the modern day fundis? You guys, are you changing the profile for your brothers and their reputation?
Basically, I know from the word go, our reputation for being fundis have been imeharibiwa sana. Tumewa picha
kabisa.
And but still, we're trying to change the notion whereby just not any other ordinary fundi. So if you're trying to sell something to a client or you have an order to beat the deadline, just make sure that the deadlines are met. Number one, make sure that the quality of workmanship is also met.
First of all, ni fundi mwenye anaongea kizungu. Benji, I know you to be a successful person in this in your field here, and we commend you for the good effort that you're putting. Now tell me how what it takes. What does it take for a young guy who picks up maybe running a woodwork workshop like this and moving it from one level to the next? What does it take? What has it taken for you?
Well, it takes patience.
It takes patience.
1, 2, it takes consistency. And basically determination. So
in case one wants to find you, tell us how would we find you? We will put your number in the description box.
Yeah, we on Instagram.
As
Casa Furnishing Kenya.
Casa Furnishing
Kenya. Then we also we have a website www.casafurnishing.co.ke.
Very well. So one can easily get there, place their order.
Place their order. Then also we are on Facebook.
Yes.
And we are located in Ole Kasasi.
In Rongai.
In Rongai.
Very well. Now, Here you have a contact for interior design, hizo vitu zote za mbao, kitchen fittings and that type of thing. Again, also for those who want to pursue a career in carpentry or at least interior design, woodwork, there you have it. Keep watching and keep getting inspired by this type of stories that come to you on Ufundi na Ajira.